Becky, how long will it take to build a grabber using materials from home?
That's a really good question. But I think it actually depends on how much time I spend on each grabber. So how about this? I'll do 3 grabbers. One, I'll do as fast as possible. Let's say 1 second. And then the next one, I'll spend a whole minute on. And then the last one, I'll do a whole hour. That way we can compare. Let the grabber games begin. First up, we'll do the 1 second build. Countdown, please. Ta-da! No time for fancy stuff, just leverage. So I'm using these 2 pencils as simple levers. Levers are simple machines that allow us to lift or move things a little bit better than we would be able to otherwise. But I think I can make this a little bit more mechanically interesting if I had, say, 59 more seconds. Let's see. Okay, now time for grabber number 2. This one's gonna be 60 seconds. So in order to save myself some time, I've prepared all my materials that I think I might need. It's not cheating, it's just good preparation. All right, so let's get started. Countdown, please. Yeah! Time?
50 seconds.
Time for a coffee break. Victory tastes good. Ta-da! My 60-second grabber. Okay, so what I've done here is actually add some mechanical power to my grabber so that I don't have to hold on to it with my measly human muscles the whole time. So if you can see, instead of using the levers around my fingers as the fulcrum, I have now a standalone fulcrum that's attached to, and then this rubber band over here that snaps it back closed. So that was kind of fun, but they're not really grabbing super well. So what I gained in mechanical advantage, I lost in terms of dexterity and fine motor skills. All right, now time for the 3rd challenge, the 1 hour grabber. So let's see what I can do. Countdown, please. Okay, first part of planning is usually drawing something. I'll just use this paper real quick. So I think I like the clampy action. Yeah, like a little dinosaur head. Perfect, and I'll add googly eyes. Okay, there's my plan. What's the time?
We're exactly at
5 minutes, I'm going fast. So what I'm doing first is making what we call in product design a sketch model. It's kind of really hard to imagine how everything is gonna work all at once just by going. So what I'm doing here is just a bunch of paper and tape and seeing if it works. So proof of concept. Okay, so I think I like this structure because then I could be way far back here and I can can even add more power here. So if I spend the rest of the hour making it really nice and sturdy, then hopefully I can actually grab stuff from pretty far away. I'm getting a phone call. Don't they know I'm in a competition with myself? All right, so now that I have a rough idea of the size and the shape and how it works, and a better idea of how I want it to be constructed, I can take it to my computer and make it a reality. How much time do I have?
You're at 28 minutes.
That's actually so good. Okay, in that case, I think I'm actually gonna do some proper drafting with this. Thankfully, now that I have a digitized version of my drawings, the laser should be able to move through those really quickly. How am I doing on time?
44 minutes.
All right, this laser cut's only gonna take a few minutes, so it's time for a coffee break. I have my pieces now. Okay, it's coming down the wire. I totally misaligned how much space I thought that would take. Okay. Shoot, this does not fit. How much time left?
1 minute.
What am I at?
You're done.
I'm done? That's it? Time? That, my friends, is a 1 hour grabber. Moment of truth. Pom-pom here, grabber here, and let's see if I can, great. So this is a much better grip than my 1 minute grabber. It's not still probably quite as delicate as my chopsticks in my own hand, but at least I can reach stuff that's like a little bit farther away So that was a great question, but grabbers, like a lot of machines out there, are basically just a bunch of simple machines and simple things put together to make something complex and robust. And as you can see, the more time you put into something, the more problems you get to address. So I hope you had fun. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. See you next time.